Hi, you know who I am, so I'm not going to introduce myself, but I am going to reintroduce Supernatural's herbal gummies, otherwise known as herbals. Hopefully you know these two, but if you don't, here they are. So these are brand newly designed, newly kind of refreshed herbals that hopefully you've been loving for many years now. I know some of you have, and that makes me feel really good. So these are our herbal gummies. These are our main product because I believe in the accessibility of really well-made herbal gummies. Now they have to be well-made, and most of those on the market are not. My definition of well-made is formulated by an herbalist. So you actually get a functional amount of herbs in each gummy. The herbs are formulated in a way that is synergistic, which you know how to do if you're an herbalist, and you don't know how to do if you're not an herbalist. And they're not just sugar or wax or gum. So those were some of the requirements that I set up for myself when I made herbals, and that is that they be very close to food in terms of their ingredients, that they be functional. Every single gummy is a serving, and this is what they look like. This is a nerveless. So little springy, soft gummies. This is everyday endurance. This one is like a dark wine flavor and texture. And then you have digestness. Digestness has a big piece of ginger in it because we use real food in these, and herbs and spices. There's fresh tarragon. There is ginger and fennel and tangerine oil. There is rosemary and beet and celery. These are super delicious, sophisticated gummies. That said, kids really love the nerveless. So I just wanted to say, hey, these are out now. They are shipping to so many retailers as we speak. I have been grinding on this for the last, too long to count. We have this beautiful new redesign. So we had the tins before, but we've moved away from the tins to give you guys these great boxes, which are really secure. They're a slide out box. Gorgeous illustrations done by Leslie David's studio. The design was done with Amber Case, our design director. You have all of the sort of ingredients called out here. You pop open your box. Yours is full, mine is empty because I'm giving them all to you. And these are your new herbals. These are special. I don't know, what else can I say? So many things. So Nerveless is your daytime stress and anxiety relief. Non-sedative, but you can use it before bed. We include an adaptogen, ashwagandha in here, and the rest are nervines or nervines, which are my favorite herbs for the nervous system. We also included L-theanine, which is a brilliant amino acid that helps to balance neurotransmitter levels in the brain and create a sense of clarity and peace and calm. This one is awesome any time of day when you need that acute relief, and the longer you take them, the more you're sort of feeding your nervous system, making it better able to manage stress. Can you mix them? Yes, you can. A lot of people like to mix these in the afternoon, and I personally like to mix these in the evening after a meal. So quick facts on everyday endurance. This is your energy. This is in the morning, this is pre-workout, this is in the afternoon, this is when you're jet lagged, this is any time when you need to pick me up. Also, these happen to be really supportive of brain health because herbs don't do just one thing, and they are my metabolism support. So these are kind of a special little mix of benefits that you get in here. We have adaptogens for energy, rosemary, eleuthero, ginseng. We have some functional mushrooms, and we have gotu kola, ginkgo. There are a lot of herbs in this one. So everyday endurance. Kind of dark. To me, it tastes like a mulled cider or like almost like a sophisticated wine or something. It's really tasty. And there's the vegetal from the veggies that we have. Everyday endurance, and then digestness. This one, this one's everybody's fave right now because it's so delicious and because it's new. Digestness is basically digestive herbal bitters in gummy form. There's no bitterness to them because not all bitters are bitter, but they function in your gut to help improve digestion, motility, absorption, And we also included herbs that support gut healing. So again, you can get acute relief when you use these. The longer you use them, the more you are supporting your gut to heal. Featured in here, we have catnip, fennel, calendula, plantain, ginger, fennel, tangerine, and so again, these are best before meals, but to be honest, I kind of like mine after meals too. Anytime you're supporting your gut is a good idea. All of them are made with honey and apple pectin as a primary base. We do not use gums, stabilizers, waxes. We don't use any other kind of processed sugar. Each gummy is a serving. You can have more than one if you want, but you don't need to. And that's it. That's it for now. Let me know if you have questions. I'll talk about these more as life goes on, but I'm just so excited because they're out now and they're really pretty and they're really tasty. Thanks for being here. Love you. Enjoy.